improves nighttime visibility, enhances road safety, increases rider confidence, reduces accidents, ensures clearer illumination and better energy efficiency during rides. My today's video is about top 5 best motorcycle headlight bulbs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Auxbeam Motorcycle LED Fog Lights. This motorcycle headlight system delivers a powerful blend of visibility, versatility, and durability, making it ideal for riders who frequently face changing road and weather conditions. With 8 lighting modes including amber, white, and dual color beams, it adapts seamlessly from clear night rides to dense fog situations. The high-output CSP LEDs produce up to 6,000 LM in combined mode, offering excellent road coverage and reducing blind spots effectively. Build quality is another strong point. The aerospace-grade aluminum body and IP67 rating ensure resistance against rain, dust, and rough terrain, while the thermal management system helps maintain long-term performance. Installation is also user-friendly thanks to the universal 360 degrees adjustable mounting brackets and included wiring kit. However, the always-on DRL behavior via ACC wire requires careful setup to avoid battery drain issues, which some riders may find inconvenient. Overall, it's a reliable, high-performance lighting upgrade for motorcycles, ATVs, and off-road vehicles, especially for serious adventure riders. Now our second product is Fkopchoy 10 PCS Motorcycle LED Underglow Kit. This Dream Color Motorcycle Underglow Kit is a visually striking upgrade designed for riders who want both style and personalization. With 16 million colors and 256 dynamic lighting modes, it offers extensive customization through both app and button control. Riders can easily adjust brightness, speed, and sensitivity, while also creating custom lighting profiles for a truly unique riding experience. One of its standout features is the music sync mode, where the LED strips pulse and change with the beat, turning every ride into an immersive audio-visual experience. The IC technology ensures multicolor display effects, producing a vibrant rainbow glow that significantly enhances nighttime visibility and road presence. Powered by a stable 12V system with built-in protection, it maintains electrical safety for motorcycles. Installation is straightforward thanks to strong, adhesive backing, though careful placement is needed for long-term durability. Overall, this kit is ideal for riders who value aesthetics and personalization, transforming any motorcycle into a dynamic, attention-grabbing machine with modern lighting effects. Our third product is Wellnit LED Turn Signal Lights Motorcycle. This EMARC certified motorcycle light delivers a strong combination of safety, durability, and modern styling. Its certification ensures compliance with road standards, giving riders confidence in both legality and performance. The brightness is impressive, clear, stable, and energy efficient, providing sufficient illumination without glare or condensation issues, making night riding significantly safer. The design is another highlight. With a balanced size that is neither bulky nor too small, it blends naturally with most motorcycles and gives the bike a refreshed, modern appearance. The premium lens finish adds a high-end feel, avoiding any cheap or aftermarket look. Built for real-world conditions, it features strong waterproofing and reliable performance in rain or harsh weather. The flexible turn signal structure adds extra durability, reducing the risk of damage during vibration, impact, or minor falls. Visibility from both front and rear further enhances road safety. Compatible with most DC-12V motorcycles, it's a universal upgrade option for riders seeking style, durability, and dependable lighting performance. Now number 4, Keuig Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Light. The Keuig Motorcycle LED light stands out as a professionally engineered lighting solution built for serious riders who demand performance and reliability. Its scientific design combines high-quality LED chips with high borosilicate optical lenses, delivering up to 6,000 lumens and strong 60W light output. This results in a highly focused, far-reaching beam that significantly improves visibility during night rides, heavy rain, or foggy off-road conditions. Versatility is another major strength. With dual white/amber lighting and multiple warning strobe modes, it adapts easily to different riding environments, enhancing both visibility and rider safety. The inclusion of a 6.7-foot waterproof wiring harness adds installation convenience and flexibility. Durability is exceptional thanks to its CNC-machined aluminum alloy body, IP68 waterproof rating, and efficient honeycomb heat dissipation system. These features ensure long lifespan even under extreme weather and vibration. The adjustable universal mounting system further improves compatibility across motorcycles, ATVs, and other vehicles. Overall, it's a rugged, high-performance lighting upgrade designed for maximum safety and off-road confidence. And our last choice is Oxedo H4 Light Bulb High/Low for motorcycle. The Oxedo H4 motorcycle light bulb is a strong upgrade for riders seeking significantly improved nighttime visibility and safety. With up to 400% increased brightness and a crisp 6000 K cool white output, it delivers a wider and farther-reaching beam that enhances reaction time on dark roads and highways. The light clarity feels modern and powerful without being overly harsh. Installation is one of its biggest advantages. Thanks to the 1:1 mini halogen-style design and plug-and-play setup, it can be installed in just minutes without modifications, making it highly convenient for everyday riders. The beam pattern is well-engineered, closely matching factory halogen output, while eliminating dark spots and reducing glare for oncoming traffic. Durability is also impressive, with a full aluminum body ensuring efficient heat dissipation and a claimed lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. Additionally, CAN-bus compatibility ensures smooth performance on 99% of motorcycles without error warnings. Overall, it's a reliable, high-performance lighting solution that combines brightness, safety, and easy installation in one package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.